Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. It's Tracy. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing my unboxing of my Colourpop order that I just received. I'm pretty excited about it because I've never really used Colourpop, but since I see everyone on YouTube just loving it, I don't think I came across one person that didn't love it. In the past, I ordered once and everything got to me cracked, broken, and I called them, they didn't care. It was just really bad customer service, and it was just a huge turn off for me, and I haven't gone back to Colourpop since. But with everyone showing me such beautiful stuff, I have to give it another try. Good thing there's such a thing called editing, because this could take a long time. Oh, not too bad. Oh, look, they have introduced bubble wrap since the last time, which is bad for the environment. There are other options they could use, but before it was just shaking around the box. So the first thing I want to take out is this. Why are there two? I didn't buy two. There's no bill. Okay, well, I have the bill, but they're not telling me on the bill how much I paid, so I'm just going to have to look on email later, but it's just really strange. I have two palettes. Okay, unless there was some kind of a sale, but anyway, okay, let's move on. Okay, so here's the palette called I Think I Love You. The colors look really, really nice, really interesting. Nothing's broken. Okay, I think I'm excited. The two stick foundations. So I got medium 83N and I got light 67N. Wow, they look quite similar. And so here we have three Super Shock shadows. The first one is GLISTEN Kathleen Lights collab, and this is Ritz, and this is also Ritz. So I don't know why I didn't order two Ritz. Anyway, I'm gonna look at my order details online anyway, doesn't matter. I'm gonna swatch, so here's GLISTEN. Oh, that is so pretty. And Ritz. And more Ritz. It's really pretty. Oh my gosh, is that ever pretty? So that's it for now, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll keep you posted. See you next time. Bye for now. So now I have three of the Super Shock. So now I have three of the Super Shock shadows. This one is GLISTEN. It's a Kathleen Lights collab. Yeah, wait. This is GLITZ. Okay. This one is GLITZ. GLISTEN. GLISTEN. Okay. So here I have three Super Shock shadows. This one is GLISTEN by Kathleen Lights. Kathleen Lights collab. So here I have three. So here I have three Super Shock shadows. The first one is GLITZ. So here we have three Super Shock shadows. The first one is GLISTEN, a collab with Kathleen Lights. This one is Ritz and no, this is Ritz and this is Ritz. Okay, I got two of them. Okay,